poppin'? What's poppin', guys? We have an awesome video today.
Da, 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 da. We have another pro wrestling crate.
Who is it for?
Me. Cut it, cut. Throw now. Okay.
Guys, we'll take a look first. Is it hitting you in the face?
Ouch. Why does this always happen?
I think.
Oh. Thank you, guys.
Don't look at it, Daddy.
This is the Tag Teams Part 3 crate. Not looking. Next month's crate is Mass and Paint Part 2, Lily.
Oh, man.
It's going to have Marty,
Do you know after this say, guys?
Rosemary Alley, Glacier,
I'm trying to tell him so
Chainsaw
bad.
Charlie, Matt Classic, So Young, and a micro brawler that will complete the set from the Tag Team Part 3 crate.
Okay, guys, after this day, there's Wacky Wednesday at my school.
Hey, show him your shirt before we get started. Sorry, did I shock you? This is her Ripley shirt. She got the aquarium. This is my business killer shirt. Lynn Stratton.
Do you know me and Daddy play a shooting game?
Don't tell nobody, Lily.
It's Army.
Alright, first up we got... Oh man, who is that? Who is that?
Young Buck.
Yeah. We have a Young Bucks.
Young Bucks.
Whoop, whoop.
I can whistle.
Okay. The next one is...
I don't know him.
You don't know him?
Who is he? Oh no, he's weird. Do you know him?
Yeah.
Who?
Oh, it's Luke Gallows and Carl Anderson.
Are they funny?
Alright, yep. Next up we have FTR, the Revival, the top guys.
FTR.
Oh no. We have Axe, the Brawl. Now, wow, look at this.
I don't know.
Hey, what are you doing? It's Bruiser Brody and Stan Hansen, the Lucha Brothers, the Midnight Express, the Miracle Violence Collection, the Steiner Brothers, the Rock and Roll Express, the Outsiders, the Briscoes, the Young Bucks, the Dudleys, the Hardys, and the Road
Guys, I
Warriors.
really don't know how Rihanna is copying him. You know.
Ooh, what is this? Oh, look at this.
Let me read it.
Stole from me. Calm down. You're going to tear it up.
Not cool.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Then let me see
The
inside.
Luchaverse.
Lucha Bros.
Yeah. It's got Rey Mysterio, Conan, some guy that I'm not going to try pronouncing. The Lucha Brothers, Solar, and Super Astro. This is pretty cool. You can't read it though, because you don't know how to read. You just told him you didn't.
What's your next one?
You ready for the autograph?
They go.
Who's it going to be?
Guys.
Ricky and Robert, the Rock and Roll Express. That's pretty cool.
Who's
I
that?
have a picture with them. Hold on a second. Lily. Entertain the guys while I get the picture.
Guys? Can I play my phone?
No, talk to them. Tell them how your day was at school.
There goes the dad there. Blah, blah. He found it, guys. Let me look at the picture.
Hold on.
How he squished my finger.
I did not squish your finger.
It was like this.
This is the old one. It's got some dust on it too, apparently. It's me when I was little, and my brother's holding me with the Rock and Roll Express. That's pretty cool, ain't it?
That's you. Oh, you're so cute.
I'm so cute, so little. Thank you guys for watching. We love you. Bye. No. Help!
I love you. That's someone.
Help! Hey, did you like that video? If you did, leave a like and comment down below what you liked about it. If you didn't, comment down below what I could do better. If you want to be a part of the family, go ahead and subscribe and ring that darn bell so you know when our stuff goes up. See ya. Too sweet. Goodbye.